Hi kids, welcome to class. I'm Mr. Villarreal, or you could call me Mr. V if you would like. Today we're going to be learning about combinations and permutations. I'm sure you already know what combinations are, okay? It's pretty simple. You get, for instance, if you want to choose what to eat for fruit, and you get the choices of choosing two between three, you can get apple, banana, or apple and orange, or orange and banana. Those are three different combinations, so I'm pretty sure you already got the good idea on what combination is. Permutations is the order of the events you can do things in. Like, for instance, going back to the breakfast model, you could eat the apple first, then the orange, then the banana, or the apple first, then the banana, then the orange, or any other order that you can think of, okay? So that's what we're going to be learning today, the different combinations, permutations, and the different orders and ways you can get the combinations, the number of combinations possible. And today we got a very special guest to help us. We got Scooby-Doo, oh, and the entire Mystery Incorporated gang. We got Fred, their leader, Daphne, she's there, Velma, the smart girl, and of course, Scooby's best friend, Shaggy. They're going.
Jeepers! Jinkies!
Zoinks! Scooby-Doo is missing. Wow. Okay. What can we do? We gotta explore this classroom to find him. Okay. But this classroom, it's so big. How are we gonna do this? Okay. We gotta split up. Splitting up with 4 people. How are we going to do this? This is where combinations come involved, kids. I guess they're helping us even after all. Even if Scooby-Doo is missing and a monster is attacking him, they're still helping us. So thank them. Round of applause. And so let's discuss the different combinations. We can get Fred and Shaggy and Daphne together in one combination. Velma, Fred in another. Or we could get Shaggy and Velma together in one combination, Fred and Daphne in another, or we can get Shaggy and Fred together, and then Velma and Daphne together. Now, which one do you all want to do, kids? Which combination seems like the most fast, most safe, most secure? What? Okay, now, before we decide which one is the best group to do, I want all of you kids to take out your colored pencil markers and using orange for Velma, green for Shaggy, blue for Fred, and purple for Daphne. Just sketch all of the possible combinations that we can have, okay? Great, are y'all done? Good, okay. So, now we're gonna take a vote, which one's the best group to do. Okay, good, it wins. Girl time, boy time. Great. So Fred and Shaggy are looking through the left side of the classroom, just trying to find their good friend Scooby-Doo, looking for clues, suspects. They just keep finding kids. And then they see, ooh, the ghost of the classroom. So they start running, getting chased the whole time, and they, oh no. And then they run into Daphne and Velma, who try to come to their rescue. They all, collide, and they all begin sliding down to the trapdoor. This is where permutations come involved, kids. We're trying to figure out the different order that they could all fall down to their doom, okay? That was one of many options. So take out your colored pencils, and I want you to sketch the different order, just using a line, just one line for blue, okay? And just write down all the different orders that you can have for each gang going down, okay? So while you do that, we'll just let you do it, okay?
A few moments later.
Wow, I'm so glad all 4 of you survived that trap door, and I'm so glad all of you found out there were 24 combinations for them falling through the trap door. Now, let's figure out who this ghost is, and let's try and find our good friend Scooby-Doo. Come on, Fred, let's go. What? Wow. Yippee. It's Scooby. Scooby, what are you doing as a ghost? Oh, okay. When the power went out, he decided, I'm hungry. So he started walking, just looking for one of the kids' lunch. That was naughty boy, bad dog. And he accidentally taped himself with a tissue. Well, I'm glad this has been all figured out, and I'm glad, and I hope you all know how combinations and permutations work now. Okay, now on to recess.